Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this LifeLong branded induction cooktop, which is of 1800 watts. This I purchased from Flipkart, and see here, this is the product. This got 4.1 rating. That's the reason I purchased this, and that too, the price at the time of my purchase it was little bit less. Now it is showing like 2500. And yeah, let us see the full details about this. Okay, let me just open this. The box contents are simple. One user manual, how to use. See here, LifeLong induction cooktop user manual. Okay, you need to really read this out, because before using it is always better to read the user manual, especially for this product if it is your first time. See here, do not use cookware that does not meet below requirements. You shouldn't use ceramic pot spans with a diameter less than 14 centimeter. Means this is the heating up area, right? Means the vessel or bowl which you keep on this should meet this requirement. A diameter not less than 14 centimeter. Copper pots are not allowed. Aluminum pots, don't keep aluminum, because this is the compatible pots and vessels will be stainless steel, iron, which are mentioned. See here, enameled iron pot, iron or enameled pot, cast iron pan, iron pot, deep fry pan, stainless steel pot, iron plate, and these are allowed here and these are not. Okay, and these are also not. A rounded bottom pot, okay, you shouldn't keep. Aluminum copper pot, you shouldn't keep. Less than 12 centimeters this diameter, you shouldn't keep. A pot with stands, you shouldn't keep. Means the base should be flat. Okay, whatever the vessel or the pot you keep on this heating surface, that should be flat. Okay, all these things better you read. Now we'll see the total product once. Okay, yeah, this comes with the 3 plug pin, and first we'll check the buttons available and the digital meter. Later at the end of the video, what I'll do is I'll show you the testing also. Okay, and to check some more options, this is ceramic plate. Plastic and ceramic plate, and the control is push button type, and presets are there are different presets I will be showing. There is timer and spill proof, yes. Reversible burner, no. And power indicator, yes. And brand is LifeLong. It is mentioned like LifeLong here and LifeLong also here. And coming to the push button quality, decently good, easily clickable, you can say. I can push it easily, whatever the button. Okay, now we'll check each button, and then we'll can go to the operation or working of this 1800 watt induction cooktop from the LifeLong brand. Okay, first there is power button here, there is timer here, both are in red. Okay, and there is temperature button to know the present temperature, and this is the presets: 1 idli, 2 milk, 3 dosa. These are temperature up and down. 4 deep fry, 5 pressure cooker to keep the pressure cooker here, and carry 6 and sort 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 presets are available. Now what I'll do is I'll give the power source here. I'll switch on this, maybe just for to check the operation. What I'll do is I'll take a pan. Right now I have a stainless steel pan from Bergner BE Essentials stainless steel, which I did the unboxing. I'll drop that in the description. I'll be just boiling the water. Okay, just to show you the working of this, I'll be doing that. And one more thing I missed to show you. See here. Okay, the back profile of this. These are the air vents, maybe for the heat to escape. Yeah, see here, this is the power supply area, so I can just plug in this and switch on. Right, I have before switching on this, I'll be placing the, what is this, frying pan actually. So just to test this or to show you the operation, I just added some water here, and now I'll be powering this on. See, the operation is very easy. As soon as I gave the power, there is some noise you can see, or the operation noise, and see here, now we can start cooking. And this is the stainless steel strainer I bought for 200 rupees. Very useful to wash vegetable, fruits, etc., even the meat. I'll be dropping the unboxing of this product. This is 200 rupees. Okay, and if I click the temperature here, it will showing as 2000. So whenever you want to check the temperature, press this. Okay, timer, there is no timer set actually. When you click on timer, if you increase with the plus button, this will be increasing. Okay, maybe 12 minutes. Okay, you can decrease it with like that. Yeah, okay, fine, right? And next I'll go one by one. I'll be clicking on Idli. If I click on Idli, it is 1800 watts it is showing. If it is milk, 100 watts. But after every preset, when I'm pressing, the temperature is getting changed here. To check not this temperature, the wattage is getting changed 100. Actually you can okay, I cannot increase this. For dosa it is showing 2200. Now maybe I can decrease this if I don't want. By pressing on dosa, I can decrease the wattage, the power you can say. And deep fry it is 2000. What is this? 2700. Okay, 1200. Curry 1200. And you can decrease if you don't want. See here, already the water is getting boiled, and there is one caution here which is written here. After the usage, whenever you power off this, do not touch the ceramic plate, as that will be very hot. You need to be make sure of that, and please always avoid children keep this out of reach of the children. Okay, there is no child lock or something like this anywhere on these buttons. Yeah, the operation is quick. Now it is running in 700 watts, I guess. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. If you feel this is informative video, you can just give a like. That would be really helpful for me. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. So I'll be powering this off, and I'll be switching off this. So there is see here, yeah, and this is Bergner tri-ply frying pan. I'll be dropping that in the description, you can check.